the fact it actually comes with the Galaxy S9 theme. So as you can see, I'm actually having Galaxy S9 wallpaper applied on both of my home screen and lock screen, and to be honest guys, this wallpaper looks absolutely stunning. And on top of that, we also get to see the Galaxy S9 icon spread all over the UI. So as you can see guys, in the dock I'm having some cool icons, and you know what guys, today I'm actually having Galaxy Note 8 with me for the comparison. So if you take a look at the Galaxy Note 8, we're actually having the Messages app which is of orange color, but if I talk about the Galaxy S9 ROM, we're having the Messages app which is giving out some subtle blue colors. So it looks pretty cool, and even inside of the application we are having the blue tint going on, but with the older version of Grace UX you can see we are having the orange tint. So yeah, some subtle changes done in the Messages app, but still you know, good work done by Samsung. And we are also having the new layout of folder with this ROM, so as you can see it looks much more organized now. So yeah, some subtle changes like these are done in the UI of this ROM, so go ahead and take a look at them yourself. Alright guys, now let's just take a look at the camera app that comes along with this ROM. And by the way guys, if you remember, this is the camera app with which I started this video, so yeah, you can imagine how cool this app is gonna be. So by opening up the app, on the bottom you have your normal keys, you have your shutter button, you have your video shortcut and your gallery shortcut, and up top you have some more shortcuts going on. So let me just choose one of the shortcuts here. So this is the stickers tab, and here you have a bunch of different stickers. Of course you can choose any of the stickers for your images, so let me just choose one of these real quick, and you can also move these stickers anywhere on your screen just like that. You can also adjust the size of these stickers, you can also rotate these stickers just like that. So it looks pretty cool, and by the way you get to see the same thing in Galaxy Note 8 camera app as well. So let me just bring up the Galaxy Note 8 real quick here. Alright, so this is the app, the camera app that you get in Galaxy Note 8. Of course, you're gonna be like, this is a different UI that you're getting inside of this app. That's just because it is an older version of the camera app that is found in Galaxy Note 8 ROM. But anyhow, here's the stickers tab, and this is what I was actually getting inside of Galaxy S9 ROM. So you can see there is a lot of similarity that is found in both of the ROMs. So yeah, pretty good stuff in here. Alright guys, now let's just take a look at some of the other features that we have inside of this camera app. You guys, I'm going to be walking you through one of my favorite features of this camera app, and that is face emoji feature. Well, those of you who have used Snapchat, they might be aware of this feature. Well, how does this feature basically work? You actually point the camera towards your face, and then you can apply different kind of filters on top of that. So in order to access this feature, you have to tap on this shortcut, and then you will be taken to this menu. Now here you have different masks going on, so you can choose whatever you want to have on top of your face. So let me just switch the camera first of all. Alright, there is my face. Hello everybody. So let me just go ahead with this mask. Alright. Oh, hey everybody, what's up? So as you can see, it is working absolutely fine. Let me just choose these classy shades for myself, and there you have it. Absolutely amazing thing to check. And guys, with this ROM, we also get the Galaxy Note 8 S Pen feature. So let me just quickly take out my S Pen here. Here guys, you can see the pen window is working absolutely fine. And by the way guys, a couple of days back I found out a very amazing feature of S Pen, and that is this glass feature. So the way this feature actually works is pretty simple. You actually make floating window of any application that you have on your Galaxy device using this feature, and then you take your S Pen and hover it over the floating window of that application. After that you get the preview of that application. So it looks pretty cool. So let me just quickly show you that in action. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up Messages app. By the way, you can open any application out there, and then all you have to do is just press the pen window icon and then tap on glance button. After that you will get this floating window right here. Now here guys, if I go ahead and open up you know, any other application like browser, and then take my S Pen and hover over this you know, floating window which I have just created, I actually get the preview of the Messages app. So it looks pretty cool, and also reminds me of Galaxy S3 when it was launched a couple of years back. It actually had a similar feature like this. So back then you would have to use your finger instead of the S Pen for hovering over a certain area to get the preview. So yeah, kind of reminds me of some good old memories. Alright guys, now before you go ahead and talk about any other stuff about this ROM, I'm gonna bring your attention to something really crazy. Guys, do you know Android 8.1.0 Oreo is already out for Samsung Galaxy Note 3, and a couple of days back I also made a video about that, and you can also check that video which I made about that ROM by checking this annotation right here. So go ahead and tap on this annotation, and that's gonna bring you that video. And I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of that Oreo ROM in this video right here. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy this video, and after that we will get along with the Galaxy S9 ROM. Now, let me just quickly take out my S Pen to show you a couple of gestures. Now here guys, if I go ahead and long press the S Pen by hovering it over the screen, it actually opens up the camera. How cool is that? And similarly guys, if I go ahead and swipe up by long pressing the S Pen, it actually enables the flash. There you go. And similarly, you can turn it off by doing the same thing. Alright guys, now what we're going to be taking a look at is an application released by Samsung which does an amazing job in regards of data consumption. Now this is the app itself which we're going to be taking a look at right here. This is called Samsung Max, and this app basically restrains your data from getting consumed from useless applications that you have on your device. Now by opening up the application, you will be getting this kind of menu right here, and you can turn this feature on for Wi-Fi by tapping on this toggle. Now you can do the same thing for your mobile data connection by tapping on this icon right here and then tapping on this toggle. Now I don't have my SIM card inserted right now inside of my phone, so I'm not going to be turning on this feature. And the good part about this application is that it actually tells you like which applications are consuming what amount of data on your device. So right here you get the report. So it's a pretty utilitarian feature. You can check the data usage for today or for the month or for the all time. So pretty good stuff in here. And guys, we also have the always on display working with this ROM as well. So if I go ahead and lock my phone, you can see the AOD clock is being shown right here. So it's working absolutely fine, and you can also adjust the brightness of this display by getting inside of NX settings. So in order to do that, just get inside of app drawer, and then you will find this application right here called NX settings. So go ahead and tap on that. Now here guys, you will find the AOD settings, and on the bottom you can see you have the brightness settings. So go ahead and change them up according to your taste. And guys, we also have the screen touch option right here. So that means if you're getting a lot of notifications on your AOD clock, you can actually tap on any of the notifications and get inside of that specific app from where the notifications are coming. So in order to do that, just go ahead and enable this option, and that's pretty much it. And guys, there you have it. This was just a short review of Galaxy S9 ROM for Samsung Galaxy Note 3. I didn't go much deeper inside of this ROM because I didn't want to make this video much longer. And talking about the battery timing, well, according to my experience, it's slightly better than the stock ROM's battery life because the kernel with which this ROM actually comes is pretty nice. And talking about the overall performance, it's also pretty nice, and I would definitely recommend you guys to give this ROM a shot because you know, there are a lot of UI changes inside of this ROM, and also the new camera app with which it also comes is also really nice. And overall, I really enjoyed having this ROM on my Galaxy Note 3, and I hope the same for you people. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and show you folks out there how to install this ROM on your Galaxy Note 3. Alright guys, now in order to install this ROM on Samsung Galaxy Note 3, your phone should have a custom recovery installed, and the required one for this ROM is Torp Recovery 2.8.7.0. And those of you who do not have this recovery or want to know how to install this recovery on their Galaxy Note 3, they can actually check this annotation right here, and that's gonna take you people to my video. And by the way, the method which I've shown is really simple and easy, and it doesn't even include the use of PC. Alright, so after you're done with that recovery stuff, the next thing is to download two files which I've given in the description of this video. The first file is of course the ROM, and the second one is a package that we are going to install after the installation of the ROM. So I'm gonna quickly boot up inside of the custom recovery right now, where I will be installing the ROM. So guys, once you're inside of the custom recovery, go ahead and tap on Vibe and then Advanced Vibe. Here you have to select these following items. So after the selection, go ahead and swipe to wipe them up. And now guys, you have to move to the location where you save your ROM file. So for me, it's inside of the internal storage. So go ahead and select your ROM file. So this is the name of the file, Phone Hive X Magma ROM version 10. And after that, go ahead and swipe to flash it up. And after that, the ROM installer will open up. Alright guys, now here you have to choose the language with which you want to proceed ahead for this installation package, and then tap on next. Now here guys, you have some ROM information. So yeah, just go ahead and read it out if you wish to, and then tap on next. And here guys, you have a long list of the changelog of this ROM. So once again, it all depends on you. If you want to read that, just go ahead and do that. And after that, just tap on next. And here guys, you have to tap on the first option if you're installing this ROM for the first time, or if you want to update this the previous version of this ROM, choose the second option. Alright, after that, you have to select your device here. Now guys, please be more specific here, because choosing a device that is actually different than your device model number will definitely run you into a lot of problems. So my phone is SMN9005, so I'm gonna go with that. And here guys, you have to choose your kernel. My favorite one is fan kernel for N9005, so I'm gonna go with that. And here you have to choose your country sales code. After that, tap on next. Now here guys, you will get a good list of applications that you can have on your ROM. So just go through them real quick, choose whatever you want to have, and then tap on next. Now here you have a choice for system UI. So once again, go ahead and choose whatever you want to have, like green color for the battery or white color for the battery, all on you. After that, just go ahead and tap on next. Here guys, you will get the user features, you know, some more feature pack stuff in here, so take a look at that as well. After that, you have to choose the camera application that you want to have on your ROM. I'm going to go with Galaxy S9 camera app. So after that, tap on next. Here you have to choose your sound choice application. So I'm going to go with the Sound Live app. After that, tap on next. And here you have to make the selection for the NTB server. So since I'm living inside of Oman, so I'm gonna go with that. And here you have to make the selection for super user. I'm gonna go with a Magis version 12, the stable version. After that, tap on next. Go ahead and tap on full wipe 1. Tap on next. Now here you have to tap on install. Go ahead and tap on OK, and there you go. The installation process is gonna begin now. So yeah, just go ahead and give it some time, and after it ends, I'm gonna show you what you have to do afterwards. So guys, after the installation will complete, you will get an option to reboot your device after that. So yeah, just go ahead and tap on next, and after that, swipe to unlock, and here guys, the ROM will start booting up. Hey guys, I've already mentioned this thing like a million times in my past videos. The first boot is gonna take a lot of time, maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. So yeah, please be patient here, and after this ROM boots up, we will be installing the second package that comes along with this ROM. So guys, right now the ROM has been successfully flashed on my device, and now you have to move to the folder where you saved your second file. So as you can see here, the name of the second file is installation package, and it is a zip file. So you have to first of all extract it on your device, and after that you will get this folder right here. So inside of this folder you have two more folders. The first folder basically contains a number of applications that do play some role in the UI changes, and you also have the Galaxy S9 camera APK in here. So just go ahead and install all of these applications one by one on your system. And in the second folder you have the Galaxy S9 stock wallpapers. So go ahead, take a look at these wallpapers, apply whatever you wanna have on your device. And yeah, this wraps up the video. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also let me know on what topics should I make videos in the future. And yeah, see you all next time.
Got me in this party all up in a zone. Hottest Betty's trying to take away my cell phone. Like, come and party, I've been trying to shake you off my mind, but just